Cinnamon tea for diabetes. How to manage high blood sugar with this tea. The right time to consume cinnamon tea to manage diabetes and blood sugar spikes is post-dinner. The amazing benefits of this herb for diabetics. Cinnamon is one of those Ayurvedic herbs that comes packed with several health benefits. One of the many amazing benefits that this herb carry is controlling or managing diabetes. 1. Diabetes management at home. Managing diabetes or high blood sugar levels at home is important as this is an irreversible health condition that requires continuous attention. The first step to managing diabetes starts at home by making small and easy changes in your lifestyle. Balancing and lowering blood sugar levels naturally is the key to managing prediabetes or diabetes naturally. 2. Some of these lifestyle changes include exercising regularly, eating more fiber, snacking, and increasing your probiotic intake are some of the things you can do every day. With everything else, adding some supplements to suppress the symptoms of diabetes also plays a very important role. One of them is consuming cinnamon tea. 3. Role of cinnamon tea in managing diabetes. Cinnamon is extracted from tree bark. It carries immense medicinal properties. From controlling cholesterol to reducing severe inflammation, and fighting bacterial infection, cinnamon is a cure for all. Cinnamon tea can be consumed after dinner to balance blood sugar spikes. A cup of cinnamon tea made with cinnamon powder or bark can do an amazing trick very well. If you find this video helpful, let me know in the comments section and share this with your family and friends. Thank you.